The SsangYong Tivoli aims to redefine the standard for interior style for a small crossover, yet it doesn't scrimp on space. There's plenty of room for the driver and front seat passenger, and sufficient space for 3 adults in the rear. The boot space is an impressive 423 litres, and there are some neat touches such as the estate-style retractable load cover. This can be easily stored in the boot when not in use, while elasticated straps allow you to secure more delicate items in place. There's also a 12-volt socket in the boot and 2 more in the front to ensure there are plenty of places to charge all your mobile devices, while the extensive storage spaces, which include room for an iPad in the central armrest, are there to help make your life that little bit easier. The SsangYong Tivoli, big on style, big on space.